Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c : \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.